Dr. Sunita Mahesh, Consultant and Medical Director at Milan JK Nagar, Bangalore. On the occasion of World IVF Day, I would like to congratulate all our pioneers, all our mentors who have toiled day and night to ensure that this technological advancement in helping couples to achieve a pregnancy when naturally it would have been very, very challenging. Now, IVF has come a long way from becoming an technological advancement in the field of infertility to help couples and also to be a bystander to visualize the other help or the uses of IVF. One of the important aspects of this particular technology is in the preservation of gametes. So this we call as fertility preservation. Fertility preservation is required on several occasions, and this technological advancement has made it possible for those couples as well as those individuals to be able to safeguard their gametes to help to procure the pregnancy later on. So when it comes to fertility preservation, who are all the people who can avail this technological advancement? Yes, the first thing which comes into one's mind will be cancer patients. Yes, they have to go through chemotherapy or through radiotherapy, and there is a possibility that there can be damage to the gametes and it might be difficult for them to get a chance to get the pregnancy later on in their lives. So in these cases, we advise them to go through the fertility preservation wherein they freeze their gametes at a particular stage, and then later on, once their chemotherapy is done, these gametes can be thawed and then the fertilization with the opposite gamete can be done, and the pregnancy or the embryo formation which happens can be transferred back into the uterus of the lady to help the pregnancy to come through. Apart from that, there is something called as social egg freezing or social gamete freezing. What is this social gamete freezing? So we know that women have come a long way through their lives. They have toiled hard and they have also tried to achieve a balance in their work and life, and they have also tried to gain higher heights in their career growth. So in these cases where career comes first, I know that for most pregnancy can be a difficulty. So they do not want to have a hindrance in their growth, so they would want to freeze their gametes so that they can plan for their pregnancy later on. What is the need? Why should one go through a social egg freezing? The reason is we know that the gametes undergo changes with age. So as the age advances, the quality of the gametes can come down. Also, there can be an increasing possibility of having a pregnancy with some chromosomal abnormalities. So with this, they prefer to freeze the gametes at an early age, maybe between 20 to 30, so that they will be able to use these gametes later on for the pregnancy. So these are the two main aspects for which fertility preservation is opted, and with the technological advancement, this has become a possibility for such individuals. So I'm sure, my friends, there are several other advantages of the IVF procedure, and many of my colleagues will also be enlightening you about the technological advancement and the uses of IVF. Thank you.